Hi, Dr. Messenger here. Thanks for tuning in. I acknowledge I live and work on the land of the Camaragal people of the Aroa Nation. I pay my respects to the past, present and emerging traditional custodians of this land. Let's discuss today the double-edged topic of confidence and ask the question, are less confident people more successful? Because like most things, confidence has two sides to it. High self-confidence isn't always a blessing, and low self-confidence isn't always a curse. There is no bigger cliche in personal development, academics, sports, business psychology than the idea that self-confidence is key to success. It's time now, don't you think, to debunk this myth, or at least offer another perspective that works, because we now know that low self-confidence is more likely to make you successful. Extremely low self-confidence, however, is not useful. Extremely low self-confidence derails performance by inducing fear, worry and stress, which sooner or later can drive people to give up. However, just enough low confidence can help you recalibrate your goals and plans so they are more realistic and more attainable. Not everyone can be an Olympic gold medalist, head of a Fortune 500 company, qualify for university, or be the next top model. However, if your confidence is low rather than extremely low, you have a better chance of succeeding than if you have super self-confidence. And the three main reasons for this are low self-confidence makes you pay attention to negative feedback and be self-critical. Many confident people tend to only listen to positive feedback and ignore negative feedback, which can trap them in optimistic biases. And although this may help them appear confident and competent to others, whether it is in academics, sports, performing arts, education, or whatever else, achievements result from 10% performance and 90% preparation. Hence, the more knowledgeable you are about your weaknesses, the more likely you will better prepare yourself. Low confidence might be associated with pessimism, but when pessimism connects with ambition, it can result in excellent performances. To be the very best at something, you need to be your own self-critic, and that is unlikely if your starting point is high self-confidence. People with low self-confidence who train hard and practice continually can reach exceptional levels of competence. It's been said that success is the best medicine for your insecurities. Low self-confidence can motivate you to prepare more and work harder. If you're serious about your goals but lack confidence in your abilities, you'll have more incentive to work hard. Low confidence is only demotivating if you're not serious about your goals. Most people like the idea of being extraordinary, but not enough to do what it takes to achieve it. Most people want to be healthy, wealthy, beautiful, slim, attractive and successful, but few are prepared to do what it takes to get there and to stay there, which suggests they might not want these things as much as they think they do. To get what you want, you have to make the decisions and take the steps to get it. Hence, if you really want what you say you want, then your low self-esteem can be your friend and actually make you work harder to achieve it. Low self-confidence minimises the chance of you coming across as arrogant or deluded. We seem to live in a world that worships those who worship themselves, from arrogant or self-serving politicians to the latest reality or social media star or influencer. However, the consequences of hubris are now past debate. According to Gallup, more than 60% of employees either hate or dislike their jobs. And the most common reason stated is narcissistic bosses. So if bosses and managers were less arrogant and narcissistic, then more employees would be happier and more productive at work, and the turnover rates would go down. People with low self-confidence are more likely to admit their mistakes instead of blaming others, and are less likely to take credit for someone else's accomplishments. In summary, if you're serious about achieving your goals, low self-confidence can be your best friend because it will motivate you to work hard, help you to work on your soft spots and limitations, and stop you from being a jerk. Until we meet again, remember, laugh lots and you get more of what you think about.